Okay, so this is my 2002 CRF450. I just did a complete bottom end rebuild. Changed all the bearings, all the seals, put a new transmission in it. The forks were wore out or close to it. Had a gear that was goopy, so I just swapped it out and redid everything on the bottom end. I put it together. I probably ran a half a tank through it so far, and just yesterday, I believe, took it for a test drive while I was working on my other 450 over there. Pain in the ass. And towards the end of the ride, I started hearing it clicking and clacking. And I thought maybe something's wrong with the bottom end or the top end. And I don't know if you can hear it, but you hear that clicking. And it's not top dead center, it's not bottom dead center, but it's always in the same spot, like a gear click or something. Halfway around one way, halfway around the other way. Not on top, not on the bottom. Now, there's nothing loose up here on the cam or the chain or the decompression system. The valves are all good. I just did valve adjustments, new seals. We got this little tiny click, and when you're running it, you can really hear it. Doesn't sound like it's gonna explode, but I thought maybe somehow, some way, my wrist pin went bad, or the top end of my fucking connecting rod went bad, but it's not bad. There's nothing wrong with it. I'll grab this bar here, shove it down in there, and normally if you got a loose connecting rod on the top or the bottom and you're putting pressure on it as you kick it over real easy, the clicking goes away because there's nothing, I guess there's no space in between going up and down because you got pressure on the kicker and on the top of the piston. Now I'm not pushing really hard, I'm just basically laying my hand on top of it best I can, but you can hear the clicking still there. So it's definitely not a loose rod or a bad bearing. Got plenty of compression. We got absolutely no blow by in the crankcase or out the exhaust. So not quite sure what's wrong with it, but I'm imagining it's down low, probably in that stator area, which is gonna suck because I don't want to have to drain my oil all over again. But anyways, if anybody knows anything about that, let me know, because I'm kind of stumped at the moment. Not really stumped, I just don't know what it is yet because I don't want to take the bottom apart again. But go for a couple rides and see what happens. Maybe I got a Woodruff key that's bad on the stator, I don't know, but we'll find out later.